Hello, my name is Jesse Pope. I'm the President and Executive Director of the Grandfather Mountain Stewardship Foundation. While we're sorry our park is closed for the next couple weeks, we hope you'll stay tuned, and we're excited to have our staff share with you some of the things that are going on Grandfather Mountain during this closure. I know everyone's staying home and looking for things to do, and while you can't come to the park this week, we're going to try to bring the park to you. So stay tuned over the next couple weeks.